Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to voice chat in Google Gemini application. Voice chatting with Google Gemini is quick, convenient, and AI powered. So here's how you do it. First of all, open up the Gemini application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in using your Google account. Now, once you're in the home page, go ahead and look for the microphone icon at the bottom of the screen. Simply tap on the microphone icon. Hello.
Hello, how can I assist you today? From Toka, Bagmati Province, Nepal.
And you will be able to see that the Google Gemini will process your voice input and generate a smart response. You can continue the conversation by using voice again or switching to typing anytime. Make sure to use headphones for better mic clarity. Speak clearly and naturally for best results. You can use this voice for casual chat, search help, summarizing or planning tasks. And that's how you can easily voice chat in Google Gemini. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.